Video recording started.
Lekker, nou you doing? Lekker, thank you.
Is voor in sy broek en is nou nie.
Wat er een? Huh?
Daar word bekwad, hulle het hom nou in die kar gelaai, maar hulle het hom eers gesearch.
En sy wapen is by hom?
Ons weet nie, check. Hulle sê die wapen.
How's it, guys? Lekker, thank you. Lekker, did you check him for the weapon?
No, yeah, we didn't check it yet.
Well, they said that he's got a firearm with him.
Yeah.
And but if he has, then we must check.
It is true.
Can I check? How are you doing? Are you licensed to carry this weapon? Do you have a license for this?
I don't have a license.
You don't have a license. All right. Unlicensed firearm. Get a set of cuffs.
Volle nou en daar was 'n pad.
Maar dat is een auto met het safe, ja.
Okay, just move for me.